Okay, now you understood which called DPS were reached now?
Sir, our teacher is going to start this chapter coordinate geometry tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Our teachers are doing the assignment.
Our teacher completed this lesson.
Oh, really?
Coordinate geometry.
Okay, okay. So, write the question. Write the question. Take the graph in graph book. Okay. Graph book. Yeah, you guys we'll do soon lines and angle because that's a very important chapter. Okay. Plot the points. Plot the points. Plot the points. Plot the points. A 310. A 310. Plot the points A 310. Plot the points A 310. B minus 3 5 minus 3.
Or we have done this question.
This question.
Yes, sir, you gave us homework yesterday.
Okay, then
Yes, sir, you gave us homework.
Yes, sir, you gave
the
it as
next one.
homework.
Okay. Plot the points. Next question. Plot the points. Plot the points A 0 3. A. Today we'll finish this chapter. A 0 3. B 5 3. C 4 0. Okay. D minus 1 0. Minus 1 0. On the graph paper. On the graph paper. Okay. Identify the figure ABCD. Identify the figure ABCD. Identify the figure ABCD. Identify the figure ABCD and find whether the point. Find whether the point. Find whether the point 2 2 lies inside the figure or not. Whether the point 2 2 lies inside the figure or not. Inside the figure or not. Okay, question again. Plot the points. Hello. Plot the points. Plot the points. Plot the points A 0 3. Plot the points A 0 3, B 5 3, C 4 0, and D minus 1 0. D minus 1 0. Minus 1 0.
Sir, can you repeat?
You can see the board here.
Yes, sir, but second question.
Not second question. A 0 3, B 5 3, C 4 0, D minus 1 0. On the
Okay.
graph. Identify the figure. Identify the figure. Identify the figure ABCD. Identify the figure ABCD and find whether the point. Find whether the point 2 2. Whether the point 2 2 lies inside the figure. Lies inside the figure or not. Inside the figure or not. Look at here. You plot and show me on the camera and show me on the screen. Okay, I want to see that. I call you someone. I call you some guys. They have to respond it. If not responding, immediately drop from the meeting. Okay. So be careful that one. You should attend it. If not answering, I'll drop it. Okay. Show this one. So you know the in first quadrant x and y positive. Second quadrant. This all you know, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Vishal, where are you? You got the question? See the points A 03, B 53, C 40, and D -10 on the graph paper. On the graph paper. Identify the figure ABCD. Identify the figure ABCD and find whether the point 22 lies inside the figure or not. Lies inside the figure or not. Okay. Okay. Wait, Anaga, wait. Okay, crawl, finish, show me on the camera and show me or send me. Okay. Are you getting now? Okay, sending then.
Sir, have
Either send or on the camera and show me. Okay. So I want to see that. You have two options. Either you can send in WhatsApp or on the camera and show me.
sir, I have a confusion while plotting C, which is 40.
Yeah, 40 where? 40 where? Last class.
Sir, that's y-axis.
40 y-axis. You didn't. Okay. You. Hey, wait,
No.
wait. You didn't read it. You didn't read what I said. Read the note. Anaga, read that note like last class I gave. Wait, Anubama. Wait.
Sir, did you call me?
Yeah. Read what I gave the note last class. A point on the y-axis, what? Point on the x-axis, what? Hello. I gave the note now, last class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read that. You will find.
Sir, I actually didn't understand which point you're asking.
Last class I gave first quadrant x is positive, y is positive. Second
Oh,
quadrant.
yes, sir. Okay,
and
sir. I'll
after that,
read that, sir.
a point. No, this point. A point on the x-axis.
So the point where x or x dash and y or y dash intersect is called the origin.
Not that. After that, a point on the x-axis, which coordinate is 0? A point on the x-axis, which coordinate is 0? And I gave example also.
So in x-axis, y coordinate is
Yeah.
0,
In x-axis, y coordinate is 0, and y-axis,
x coordinate is 0.
Anubama, you didn't read this one? Anubama. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You didn't read this one. You didn't check the note, right? Last class?
No,
No,
sir,
you
I
didn't,
checked that.
no, you didn't
Sir,
check.
I did.
No, you didn't check it. That's why now asking 4-0 where about it.
Sir, I,
Listen here.
sir,
Read this
sorry,
one.
I
No.
forgot that.
What forgot? You didn't learn it. That's the problem. I told you no.
Sir,
This
I
is-
read that.
no, you didn't study. Okay, how are you studying this one? You have to write it. You didn't do that.
Sir, I even did that last two graphs which you gave in the Tuesday class.
So
Sir,
tell me.
so this graph, like it's the same question, sir. I just got confused all because
What
it was given.
the confusion I asked you last class, everyone answer it. After that, you
Yes,
didn't do
sir.
any work. That's the problem.
So, sir, I did. Sir, I even did last two graphs. So sorry, sir. Really sorry, please.
Okay, send me now. Who all finished?
So I send it to you.
Sanयुktha is correct. But you didn't answer it. The 2 inside or outside?
Sir, it's inside, sir. Sir, but where should we write in the notebook or on the graph?
This is point is on the graph only now. Should be
Okay, so like the statement, yes, it is in the.
that
notes.
also graph. Everything is the graph. Anaga, I think it is
Okay, sir.
Anaga, it is wrong, I think. Okay. Yeah, correct. Anaga, correct.
So I have
Okay,
sent
sir.
you by my number.
Let me check. Okay. Okay. Shweta, correct? Moira. How come Moira, your coordinate is wrong? Moira. All coordinates wrong. 5, 3. Instead of 5, there is a coordinate 5, 3. Okay, 5, 3. Well, you didn't touch the 5, 3. Look at here, Moira. Look at here. Look. The coordinates are, look. Listen all. Graph. Look. Here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here -1, -2, -2. Okay, Moira, listen here. For all, listen all. First point 0, 3. 0, 3 where? 0, 3 on the 0, 3 on y-axis. Correct or no? 0, 3 on y-axis. Clear or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
0, 3
sir.
on y-axis. So 0, 3 here. This is our first point. We call A. Okay, 0 and 3. Second point, 5, 3. Moira. Why Moira not responding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at here. 5 here. Look at here. You saw 5 there? My
Yes.
finger is here. Look. The 5 here. Okay. Look. The 5 here and 5, 3. Look. 5, 3 were corresponding here. It will be here. 5 and 3. Look at here. 5 here, 3 here. That means this is the point. Instead of that, what you did? You did 3, 5. Understood now? Your mistake is you did 3, 5, not 5, 3. It is 5, 3. Okay. That is the second point, B. 5, 3. Okay, can join that. B. Okay. Next one. Next is C. 4, 0. 4, 0 here. That is C. Join. Okay. Next point is -1 0 here. -1 0. Okay. Okay. Now you join A, B, C. What do you call this figure? This figure, what do you call? Any idea?
Parallelogram.
It's called parallel.
Parallelogram.
It is parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
You can write it is a parallel. A, B, C, D is a parallel. After that, they're asking you one more question. 2, 2. Where 2, 2? 2 here, 2 here. This is the point. Is it inside or outside?
Inside.
Inside.
2, 2. Okay. Finish. With it. Why you late, man? David. Hello. David. Hello. Can you hear me or not?
Yeah.
Why you late?
Sir, I had bad internet. I joined right now. That's why.
Why bad internet? Everyone has internet. Then what?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Sir, I sent.
Okay. Now, we're all finished. Okay, Moira,
Sir,
correct. Let me check. I already explained now.
Sir, I sent.
Let me check. Let me check.
Sir, and sent.
Okay. And correct.
Sir, I have sent a check.
Okay. I'll check it. Don't have to tell me. Okay. I'll check it. You have to answer it. Everyone answer it. 2, 2 is inside the parallelogram. 2, 2 is inside the parallelogram. Okay. Sarah Arshad. Sarah.
Yes, sir.
The B, what is the coordinate?
Sir, I resent the another that I made.
What is that? My question is B, what is the point? Check the question. Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is the point? B what?
So, 5, 3.
Check your graph. Is it 5, 3 or 4? Is it 5, 3 or 4, 3? You mark.
So, it's 4, 3.
Okay, correct.
Yes, sir.
Ishan, correct? Okay, you got 3. Okay, correct. Mega, correct? Vishal. Vishal, how many graph you did?
No, sir, I did wrong, so I rated it.
I can't see anything here. It's not clear at all. Where is A? Where is B? You rub it or not? Use a clear pencil, man. What a pencil this one? It's not clear at all. Draw again.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So I have actually sent my answer through a different number.
Different number. What different number is what?
So actually it's my number. The number which you have is my mother's.
Okay, I'll check it. Okay, wait. Let me check. Farzana. Okay, you have to answer that. 2, 2 is why Sarah Hassan is the blue color? Sarah Hassan. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You always ending like this color. Why? I don't want to send the color like this.
Sir, it's the light.
White light. This light you are learning.
No, sir.
Huh? So what blue color? I cannot read it.
should I send again?
No need. Next time we'll correct it. Okay.
Okay,
Viraj, correct. Okay. Nidin. What is this one? Shade, shadow play?
Sir,
Yeah, this shadow there is. What is this one? I can't see anything. Without shadow.
sir, I had sent you that figure. Did you receive it?
That is correct. I'm talking about Nidin. Nidin,
Yes, sir.
Without shadow send. What is this one? Shadow play.
Sorry, sir. I'll send it again.
Okay. After Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
No graph paper.
Yes, sir.
Where is this? Not in the graph paper. Where is your graph paper?
Sir, I'll send you.
Then what you said? Then for what you sending this one? In the plain paper? Nilasri, correct? Siddharth, okay. Siddharth, what you wrote in the 2-2? 2-2, you don't want to write, just write 2-2 is inside the parallelogram, that's only, okay. This is why they give, without name and all, how can I understand? Daksh, okay, I got it, okay. Daksh,
Yes, sir.
okay. Vishal, which is x-axis, which is y-axis, you didn't mark it. Vishal,
Yes, sir.
which is x-axis, which is y-axis, you didn't mark it.
Yes, sir.
What is one man? How many times I'm telling you all? Vinaiba.
We should also mark that.
Then what? The graph means what? Graph in graph paper should have x-axis, y-axis, and everything. Nia. Okay, correct. Kevin. Okay. Kevin, correct. Yanesh. Why Yanesh late? Yanesh. Come on. Hello, Yanesh. Yanesh, again disconnect. Okay, Nidil, now correct. Okay. Ananya, correct. Okay. Sarah Arshad.
Sir, should I submit it again?
Yes. This Sarah Arshad. What you did? 5-3. What about 4-0? Well, come on. Sarah Arshad. Here 5-3 and 4-2 straight line. Can you see the board here? Sarah. 5-3. Look at 5-3. This is 4-0. You mark it here for in 5, you wrote 4-0. It is 4-0. You are what your mic is this much noise. Sarah, Arshad.
Yes, sir. I got it now.
Check it. Don't send like this. You check full check and send it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is correct. Okay. Earth. Okay, correct. Arunima, let me check. Okay. Harsh. Okay. Ridvik. Ridvik. Hello, Ridvik. Hello. Who's Ridvik? Who? Why this Yanesh keep on disconnecting? Hello, Ridvik. Who this one? Ridvik. No, I can't hear you. You're not talking. Okay. What about C? What? C is 4-0. You mark it what? C. Check the point C. This one. And Vic, check the point C and correct it and send again. Okay. Varshini. Okay, correct. Then who all to check? Jyotiga. Correct. Nikita. Correct. Akshat. Okay. Akshat, now need to draw Kashina. Hello, Rishabh.
Yes, sir.
Rishabh. Who's Rishabh?
Sir, I'm here.
Okay. Can you check the 5-3 well? 5-3.
Sorry, sir. I read it as 5-5. Sorry, sir.
What? Sorry, man. You correct it and send me first. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Harris. Okay, correct. Vaidegi. Okay, correct. Janil. Okay, correct. Okay. Who this one? Name without name, one guy. Hello. Who this? 99173041938? Who this one? Hello. 91. Who's graph this one? Hello. Who's this?
Sir, me. Kazi.
Okay. Is it correct, man? You need to see the board. Okay. B, what the point? Read the B point. Why here one, the 2 is in between? What graph you're doing, man? Your graph sheet is what? The graph sheet, one line is there. You mark it in there. Instead in half you mark it. This is very strange, student. Everything upside down only make every day. Look at here. Everyone look at here. What he did? Listen. Where is 1? You can see your.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1. There 1 where? Here. In your graph sheet, one red line is there. You saw, no? Between 0 after 0. Okay, there is a one red line is there, right? You saw that one or not? Look.
Yes, sir. He put it in the middle.
Okay, why in the middle? Kasi, Muhammad.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Why it is in the middle?
Sir, I will change.
No, tell me this answer. Don't change it. Why it is in the middle? That's what I want to know. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Why it is in the middle? Who told you to do this one? Are you answering or not? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So next is what? Okay. Rishabh, correct now? Okay. There were, okay. After Ahmad. After
Yes, sir.
Ahmad. Okay. You don't have scale at home?
Yes, sir.
So you need free hand?
No, sir. The half one when
What half? What's your name?
sir after.
Aftab Patel, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm removing you. I told you seriously, draw with a scale. You didn't do that one, right?
Sir, I did.
Is it with a free? Is it with a scale or freehand? Look, tell others. Is it the
Freehand.
eh?
Freehand.
Freehand.
After, what is your comment? Is it freehand or scale? After.
Sir, it is freehand.
No, I'm asking you after. Come on. After.
Yes, sir.
What else? You answer me my question. Is it freehand or scale?
Sir, I used
What? What do you use?
Sir, I used
Scale. Then how can the bend from B to C? Why the bend and everything bend? Here bend, here bend, here bend. You didn't use the scale, correct or no? Right? Hello, on the camera. Let me see your scale then. Hello. On the camera. Okay, show me the scale. Where are you, man?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so okay, so next guys. Shreyas, okay. Okay, so next question. Right, plot the points, plot the points, plot the points. -1, 0, -1, 0, -1, 0.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Okay, plot the points -1, 0, -1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2.
So after -1, it is 1, 0, yeah?
-1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2. Okay, 0, 2 and -1, -1. Sorry, and -1, 1 and -1, 1. -1, 1.
So there are five points, right?
Yes, 5 points. Join them in order. Join them in order. Join
could you
them
repeat
in order. What figure do you get? What figure do you get? Question again.
Yes, sir,
Mi-
please.
-1, -1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2, and -1, 1. -1, 1. Then
So you're too fast. Could you?
-1, 0, 1,
Yes.
0, 1, 1,
0.
0, 2, and
Okay.
-1, 1. Okay.
So the third one is 2 and 1, right? So sir,
Okay, what?
so the C1 is a 2 and 0, right?
What? I
No,
told you
for
now.
the question,
-1, 0.
yes.
1,
Minus
0.
1, 0. 1, 0.
1, 1.
Okay.
0, 2.
Okay, done.
And not finished, man. You listen what? Then -1, 1. You half only heard.
Thank you, sir.
Nikita. You got the points, right? -1, 0. 1, 0. 1, 1. 0, 2. -1, 1. Okay. What is the figure called?
Pentagon.
Okay.
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Sir, should we send it once we are done?
No need. I'll ask. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, finish.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, finish or not? What is the figure is called? What do you call? Look at here, you'll get what?
Sir,
Pentagon.
pentagon.
Sir, we'll get a
Uh,
pentagon.
Okay, Vishal, finish? Vishal. Hello?
Not yet.
You finish or not?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, plot first. Okay. Aisha, is correct? Akshit, correct? When you finish, Vishal, finish it fast. It's not a big job, just plotting only. Finish or not? No need. I'll ask that guy some. Okay, send me that, Vishal. Send me that. Okay. Next question. Right? Some guys are really wasting the time. Okay. Vishal, you heard or not what I said? I told you to send the figure. No, you finish or not? Okay, so next one, look at here. Okay, you heard about mirror image? Mirror image you heard about? Hello? You heard about the mirror image? Okay, what you heard about Anubama? Anubama, you said yes. What you heard?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, mirror image, sir, like kind of an inverted image shown in the mirror.
What? What you're telling? Listen, if you have no idea, don't you say no. Don't say like that. Okay. Mirror image. The mirror means what? The distance the image and object is same. Correct or no? Suppose look, a mirror here, a point here. Suppose this is A. This is the mirror. This distance is 2. This also 2. This is the mirror.
Yes, sir.
From mirror to the object and mirror to the image is same. This is called a mirror image. Okay. Okay. Now look at here. Suppose find the mirror image of 2, 3. Find the mirror image of 2, 3. Okay, I'll show this one. Don't write now. Find the mirror image of 2, 3. Listen. Better you draw and make it. Look. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3 here. Look, this is our 2, 3. Agree or not? This is our 2, 3. Okay, look. So now I have to find. Listen, I have to find the mirror image of 2, 3 with respect to x-axis and y-axis. Hello, listen, very important thing. This one. To find the mirror image of 2, 3 with respect to x-axis and y-axis. Okay, this is our x-axis. Okay, very important thing. This one, x, O, x dash, y dash, y. Okay, so that means, look, with respect to x-axis, how much distance here is coming down? Are you okay or not? That is from this distance. going down like this. So here -1, -2, -2, because 3 unit away from x-axis. Here also 3 unit away, and you join this one. So this point is what? 2 -3. That means the mirror, if it is here A, this will be A dash. A dash. Okay, understood or not? This is the point with the mirror image of 2, 3 with respect to x-axis. Are you okay or not? Understood or not?
Yes.
The mirror image, the mirror image of 2, 3. How much this distance here? Say exactly same. And same distance here. Is it okay, clear? How much distance? Look at here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's here. Here 1, 2. Here. That's the mirror image. Or with respect to x-axis. Then now with respect to y-axis. How much point away from y-axis? How much distance?
Sir, 2.
2. So here also 2. 1, 2 here. That means here -2, 3. This is our B. So that means 2 -3. Listen, 2 -3. 2 -3 is the mirror image of 2, 3 with respect to x-axis. -2, 3 is the mirror image of 2, 3 with respect to y-axis. Correct? Suppose when I keep the mirror here, image here. When I keep the mirror here, image here. You know that the distance to the object and distance to the image is same. Clear or not? Anyone have doubt?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Anyone have doubt? Tell me now.
No, sir.
Okay, then write this one. Okay.
So we will write it in my notebooks.
Okay, right.
Sir, we need to do it in the graph notebook or the normal notebook.
Normal enough. No problem. Okay. Graph
Okay,
is
sir.
okay.
So I did this in the graph book.
So what I had to do? You did the graph book. What I had to do? Tell me. So what problem? You keep it there. No issue. I told you if it is a graph, this is if it is a graph or plain paper, that's no problem. Even no figure also. If you are smart, when you are smart, no need a figure also. Understood? No. When you are smart, you can imagine and write it. There is no issue. But to make 100% correct, only I said this one. Okay. Hello, Sudan. Why now? It's late, very late. Okay. Okay, draw this one. Okay. Okay. I hope you understood what is the mirror image. Clear or not? In your
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
mirror
Yes, sir.
image means, see, suppose you are standing in front of the mirror, your image is behind. Correct or no? Correct.
Yes, sir.
That's only.
It comes behind the mirror.
That's called mirror image. See, once again, suppose here 2, 3, 2, 3, 3 unit away from 2, 3 means 3 unit away from y-axis. Correct or not? 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 2, 3 means 3 unit away from x-axis. 3 unit away from x-axis, exactly down here. 3 unit. Here 1 unit, here 2 unit. Similarly, here with respect to y-axis, here 2 units. Here also 2 units. This is the mirror image. Okay. Now another question. May write the mirror image of -3, -1. Write the mirror image of -3, -1.
So should we do it on a graph?
Up to you. This is up to you. You make it whether graph or plain paper or without figure. I want mirror image only. Clear now?
Okay, sir.
You can use graph paper or plain paper or no figure also no problem. I want answer only. Okay.
Sir, it's -3, -1.
-3, -1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I want answer only. So to
So
make
could you
sure
repeat
that-
the question?
what?
Could you repeat the question?
The mirror image of -3, -1. To make sure the figure, I advise you draw a figure. That's only. If you are smart, you can use it. Okay. The mirror image of Okay, finish or not?
Sir.
Okay, wait.
Yes.
Okay, wait. Let's try all. Then I'll explain. After that, we can check. If you are doubt, draw figure and check it. That's better. Okay. Okay. Look at here. What I said? Look here. Okay, if you are drawing figure, you should show full. Okay, -1, -2, -3, 1. Look, this is the point. Okay, this is the point. -3, -1. Okay. The mirror image with respect to x-axis, here 1 unit, here also 1 unit. That means this one. -3, 1. This is the first point. Second point, it comes to here, 3 units here. That is 3 minus. For all got. With listen. Wait. With respect to x-axis,
Sir,
listen. With respect to x-axis,
sir, I did not understand this.
where are you? My last question. Where are you? You didn't get it? Viraj,
No, sir, I did not understand it.
last question you got or not? That's my
Yes,
question.
sir.
Then what about this question? Last question you
No,
got
sir.
or not? Wait. Answer my question. Last question you got or not?
No, sir. Actually, sir, outside someone knocked, so I went outside. No one is there at my home. That's why
Why you went outside?
I
Someone
went
knocked.
outside to open the door. That
Why you went out?
no, sir. Actually, no one is there at my home. That's why.
So no one at home. Then let him knock. What's the problem? Now, if it is,
Sorry, sir.
how can I explain again? It's finished.
No, sir. Can you just explain this figure?
Okay, wait. What about Khurol? Others? Hello, what about others?
Yes, sir, understood.
Understood, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay, now look at here. This is Viraj. Khurol, anyone have doubt? Look at here. Viraj.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you close the door, close your door. If someone knock, don't bother it. Okay, you're listening. Somebody knocking and all.
No, sir. Actually, someone knocked it, and that's why I went to open.
Why you open, man? Maybe a strange guys knock. Then
No,
why you
sir.
open?
Actually, like my mother had some work with her friend, so her friend came at my home.
Okay. So now look at here. This is we are talking about mirror image. Okay. Hello. You had
Yes,
about
sir.
mirror. You had about mirror image.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you not had, take a mirror in front of you and you look at the mirror. So that's the mirror image. Okay. And mirror image, main thing, the distance from object to the mirror and mirror to the image is same. Okay. Look, suppose the point A here, a point, mirror is here. This distance and this distance is same. This is the image. This is a mirror to the object, mirror to the image is same. Idea understood or not? Okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the point is -3. First of all, locate. I advise you make a rough figure and get it. 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, -3, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here, you won't take that much time. 1, -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay. First of all, you fix your point. -3, -1. That is here. -3, -1. This is the figure. This is the original figure where you are standing. Viraj, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the original figure. Original. 3 -1. So sorry, -3 -1. Now you have to find out the mirror image with respect to x-axis. That means the mirror is here. This is the mirror. Okay. Now the distance here. How much distance here? How many units? From x-axis to A. How many units?
1 unit.
1 unit. So here you mark it 1 unit. Okay. From this one. From y-axis to A. How many units?
3.
3 units. So here you might make it. So this point A dash, that is -3, 1 is the mirror image. -3, 1 is the mirror image of -3, -1 with respect to x-axis. Are you okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now with respect to y-axis, this is the mirror. Okay. This point, how many units away from y-axis? How many units away from y-axis? Hello. How many units away from y-axis?
So can anyone answer the person who asked the doubt?
I'm asking you, Viraj.
Yes, sir.
How many units away from y-axis?
Sir, 2 unit.
Eh? 2 units. Look at the figure, man. The A is how many units away from y-axis? You can see the figure. 1,
Sir,
2,
it's 1
3,
unit.
3.
Okay, sir.
Correct or no? 1,
Okay.
2, 3. 3 units. So here also 3 units. Okay. Because mirror is here. So that join. What about this point now? 3, minus 1. That means with respect to y-axis, 3 minus 1. With respect to x-axis, minus 3, 1. Clear now?
Okay, sir.
Anyone had doubt?
No, sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay, now okay. So clear, everyone clear or not? Anyone doubt? Anyone doubt how?
Sir.
No, sir.
So I'll give another one more question. Okay. 3 minus 2. Write the mirror image of. Write the mirror image of. Write the mirror image. Write the mirror image of 3 minus 2 with respect to x-axis and y-axis. With respect to x-axis and y-axis. Write the mirror image of. Write the mirror image of 3 minus 2. Write the mirror image of 3 minus 2 with respect to x-axis and y-axis.
Fuck. Answer.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Done, sir.
Wait. Okay, it's finished. Okay, I'll show this. This also I'll show you. Look, what are you doing with the figure or without figure?
So without figure.
Sir, with
Okay, what is the answer? What is the answer?
With respect to x-axis, it's 3, 2.
Akshit.
With respect to y-axis, it's
Akshit, what is the other disturbance
sir.
here? When you open speaking, some other disturbance also coming. What is this one?
sir. Sorry, sir. My brother would just walk around sometimes, talk to cousins, so.
Okay, look at here now. 3 minus 2. Now, after this one, anyone should have idea about this one. Look. 3 minus 2 were 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, 3 minus 2, this one, right? 3 minus 2. So here, 0 here, 1 minus 2. Here, this one. So this point is what? 3, 2. Then here, what is that point? Minus 3, minus 3, minus 2. Correct? Correct or not? 3, 2. The answer what? 3, 2 and minus 3, minus 2. I hope clear now. So next question, right? Okay, next question. If you are comfortable with the figure, that is okay. Follow. Okay, no problem. Okay. If you are very smart, only can use without figure. Okay. So now need a graph. Okay. Now write a notebook. You write. Hello. Take the notebook. Ready? Okay. A policeman and a thief. A policeman and a thief. A policeman and a thief are equidistant from the jewel box. A policeman and a thief. A policeman and a thief are equidistant from the jewel box. A policeman and a thief are equidistant from the jewel box. Okay. First line okay or not? First line clear or not? The policeman, a policeman and a thief, are equidistant from the jewel box. Policeman and a thief are equidistant from the jewel box. Agree or not? Anubama. Hello, Anubama. Okay. Second line, upon considering the jewel box as origin, upon consider the jewel box as the origin. Upon considering the jewel box as origin. Upon considering the jewel box as origin. The jewel box as origin. The jewel box as origin. The policeman is at 0.5. The policeman is at 0.5. Policeman is at 0.5. Okay. The ordinate of the policeman is 0. Ordinate of the policeman If the ordinate of the policeman is 0, then what will be the position of the thief? What will be the position of the thief? If the ordinate of the policeman is 0, then what will be the position of the thief? What will be the position of the thief? Okay. Question clear or not? A policeman and thief are equidistant. A policeman and a thief are equidistant from the jewel box. The jewel box is at origin. The jewel box is at origin. Okay. The policeman is at 0, 5. 0, 5. Then what will be the position of the thief? What will be the position of the thief? Okay, try now. A policeman and a thief are equidistant from the jewel box. First line, head or not? Anubama, first line okay or not? What your check your mic or speaker. First line still you didn't get it. Then second line, the jewel box is at origin. The jewel box is at origin. The jewel box is at origin. Yes, equal distance. Equal distance means what? Equal distance. Okay, the jewel box is at origin. Policeman is at 0, 5. The policeman is at 0, 5. Okay, then what is the position of the thief? What will be the position of the thief? Okay, if the ordinate of listen, if the ordinate of the position of the thief is 0, ordinate of the position of the thief is 0. Hello, I'll read again. I'll read again. Listen out. A policeman and a thief are equidistant from the jewel box. Anyone have doubt in the first line? Policeman and the thief are equidistant from the jewel box. First line clear or not? Okay. Second one, jewel box at the origin. The jewel box at the origin. The jewel box at the origin. The jewel box at the origin. Okay. And policeman at 0, 5. The policeman at 0, 5. The policeman at 0, 5. Okay. Policeman at 0, 5. The ordinate of the position of the thief is 0. Ordinate of the position of the thief is 0. Ordinate means what? Ordinate means what? X coordinate. Sorry, Y coordinate. Ordinate of the position of the thief is 0. Then what will be the position of the thief? What will be the position of the thief? What will be the position of the thief? Okay. Show this one. Okay. Okay. So read the question according to the, okay, read it and plot it. Vishal, I didn't finish the question. Then what are you answering that what? This is a very stupid answer you did. I didn't finish the question. Then why are you answering? Okay, right first. You read the question and plot it. Where the thief, where the jewel box, where the police. Okay. Okay. Finish or not? Okay, look at here. Look at here. Okay. Okay, look at here. Here, the policeman and the thief are equidistant jewel box. Jewel box is here. Okay. Police were 0.5. Here is the police. They are equidistant. And another important thing is the ordinate. Ordinate means what? Y coordinate is 0. Where is the thief now? Thief can be here. Correct or not? This is 5, 0. This distance same. Or here, -5, 0. That means thief, 2 position is there. For police here, thief can be here or here. Okay. Correct or no? Maybe you're asked why thief cannot be here? Because the question is saying ordinate, y coordinate is 0. That means here only possible. If it is here is y coordinate is not 0. That's why. Okay. Clear now? Is it okay? Correct it now. Okay, finished now. So next question. So next class I'll finish this chapter. Okay, so make sure all the points. Okay. Okay, next write this one. Okay, write 2 points. Write 2 points. Write 2 points. Write 2 points lying on x-axis. Write 2 points lying on. Write 2 points. Write 2 points. Write 2 points lying on. Write 2 points lying on x-axis, which are at equal distance from the origin. Write 2 points. Write 2 points lying on x-axis. Write 2 points lying on x-axis, which are equal distance from the origin. Which are equal distance from origin. right? Okay, right. 2 points lying on the x-axis, which are equidistant to the origin. What is that? Equidistant from the origin means what? On x-axis. 1.40. Here, -40. Next is what? 60. Here, -60. Like that. Clear or not? Yeah, or 30. 30, -30, like that. Or -10. 10, like that. Clear now? Okay, so listen here, everyone. Read this chapter before the next class, because next Sunday we'll finish this chapter. So we need more ideas and okay. Then I'll go to the new chapter Tuesday onwards, lines and angles. So it's a very lengthy chapter. Okay. The test will be on coordinate geometry. Yes. Test will be coordinate geometry only. Very simple test.